We've also been working on full holographic AR glasses for almost 10 years. Almost 10 years.
Have you ever thought about what the workplace might look like in the future? Well, the future is here, and it's shaping up to be pretty exciting. Meta is pushing the boundaries of how we'll work together, bringing a whole new level of collaboration to the table with augmented reality and virtual reality. At the recent Meta Connect conference, the company gave us a sneak peek into their vision for what Workspaces could be like, and it's not your usual video call setup. Let's dive into this new world Meta's creating. Spoiler alert, it's going to change everything from how we meet to how we get things done. So, what exactly is Meta up to? Well, they're mixing virtual reality, augmented reality, and regular video conferencing to create immersive work environments. The goal? To make work feel more natural, even when you're not in the same room as your team. Instead of just sitting in front of a screen, you can actually feel like you're there with your colleagues, thanks to the magic of AR and VR. One of the standout products in Meta's vision for the future of work is the Meta Quest Pro, a high-end VR headset that's designed to transform the way we experience virtual meetings. The headset is a key part of Meta's strategy to make work feel more immersive and collaborative. With the Meta Quest Pro, users can step into a virtual meeting room that simulates the experience of being in the same space as their colleagues, even if they're on opposite sides of the world. This means no more feeling disconnected during remote meetings. Instead of just seeing a grid of faces on a screen, you'll feel as if you're all physically present, sharing ideas and collaborating in real time. The Meta Quest Pro solves a lot of the issues that have made video calls less effective for remote work. Things like lag, pixelated videos, and awkward silences due to poor internet connections. In a virtual meeting room, these problems become less noticeable, allowing people to interact with each other in a more natural way. You can collaborate on presentations, share documents, and have discussions just as you would in a traditional office meeting, without the travel cost or the limitations of old-school video conferencing. This immersive experience has the potential to make virtual meetings far more engaging, productive, and focused, which is a big step forward for remote teams and hybrid work environments. Do you think this could replace traditional video meetings? Or is it just another gadget we don't really need? What's inside Meta's AR and VR workspaces? Meta Workrooms, Orion AR glasses, and Microsoft integration are shaping the future of work. Meta Workrooms lets teams meet in virtual spaces, making meetings feel more interactive with 3D models and presentations. It works perfectly with Microsoft Teams, so you don't have to jump between apps. If you prefer AR over VR, Orion AR glasses might be the better fit. These glasses overlay digital content onto the real world. Imagine having a meeting with coworkers as 3D avatars, or seeing important data floating in your view. The best part? These glasses integrate with Microsoft tools like Word, Excel, and Teams, making it easier to access everything you need without switching apps. Does wearing AR glasses at work sound exciting or too futuristic for you? Now, let's talk about how this could actually make our workdays better. Remote work has been on the rise, especially after the pandemic, and it's clear that video calls just aren't cutting it anymore. They can feel flat and disconnected, but AR and VR? Those technologies could be the solution. With AR, you could bring data, designs, and ideas into the real world in ways we've never seen before. Imagine a project manager who can see a project timeline projected onto their desk, or an engineer who can manipulate 3D models right in front of them, adjusting parts in real time. AR has the potential to make complex tasks much more intuitive and hands-on, even when you're not in the same physical space. For businesses, this could be a huge boost in productivity and creativity. It's not just about getting the work done, it's about making the whole process more engaging and interactive. And for people working remotely or in hybrid setups, AR could be the key to making everyone feel like they're part of the same team, even if they're in different locations. Do you think this kind of tech could make remote work feel more connected, or do you think it might still be a little too awkward? AR and VR aren't just for office work. They have the potential to transform many industries. In retail, AR glasses could let customers see how products like furniture or clothes fit into their homes or on their bodies before making a purchase. This could revolutionize the shopping experience by offering a more interactive and personalized way to shop from home. In healthcare, AR could assist doctors during surgeries by overlaying patient data or 3D models of organs, improving precision in real time. It could also be a game changer for medical training, allowing students to practice procedures virtually before working on real patients. In education, AR can turn lessons into immersive experiences, letting students explore the human body or historical events in 3D, making learning more interactive and engaging. Which industry do you think would benefit most from AR? Retail, healthcare, or education? Of course, it's not all smooth sailing. While Meta's AR and VR innovations are exciting, there are still a few challenges ahead. One of the big issues right now is cost. The current prototypes, like the Meta Quest Pro and Orion AR glasses, are still pretty expensive. This could make it tough for businesses to adopt these technologies on a large scale, especially small companies or startups with limited budgets. On top of that, there's the challenge of making the technology more user-friendly. AR glasses need to be comfortable enough for long hours of use, and VR headsets need to feel natural. If the tech is bulky or hard to use, people won't want to wear it, no matter how cool it is. But Meta's not giving up. They're working with partners like Accenture to find ways to overcome these obstacles and bring AR and VR to more people. The company's long-term goal is to make these technologies more affordable and accessible to businesses of all sizes, and they're betting that once the tech catches on, it'll spread quickly. Do you think Meta will be able to solve these challenges, or do you think AR and VR will remain too expensive for most people? Meta is definitely pushing the envelope when it comes to the future of workspaces. With their AR glasses, VR headsets, and collaboration tools, they're not just changing how we meet, they're changing how we work. The potential for these technologies to make work more interactive, immersive, and productive is huge. And while there are still some hurdles to overcome, it's clear that Meta is on the right track. So, what do you think? Is the future of work all about AR and VR? Or do you think we're getting ahead of ourselves? Let's keep the conversation going. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments. See you next time.